Hello, good day to you. So this morning I went out and got 2 new tattoos. Right, good morning. So I was way too early. I arrived in his town at 9 a.m. and the appointment was for 10 a.m. and I only needed to walk for like 10 minutes. So this morning I'm getting tattooed at 10 a.m. 9:05. So I'm just going for a little walk in the village before going to his house. Little cat is scared. Little cat is scared. Don't be scared, little cat. So we've got this little space that we are maintaining, basically. They are scared. And now my shoes are all wet. Oh, there's another one there. Oh, this one is coming closer. Look at this baby. Good invisible food, yeah. Come on, baby, I don't have the whole day. No, changing his mind. It's actually 41, so I should maybe start to walk towards the tattoo artist house. Two hours later. It was actually more, 2 hours 30. Alright, that went super great. Just had a good time. We talked a lot, we listened to a lot of music. That was really nice. So that was just a really good time and I'm really happy with the results. Yeah, and my tattoos are very nice too, by the way. They are bigger than what I thought, but I think it's much better like this. So here are the photos that he took of the final results. I think I really like the black and white version, considering it's just a thick black line. You might know those people. This is Asterix and this is Lucky Luke. We say Lucky Luke in French, but that's basically Lucky Luke. So you may know Asterix with his friend Obelix, the dog Idéfix, the druid Panoramix, and all the village, all the people in the village. And then Lucky Luke is always with his horse, Jolly Jumper, and always chasing the 4 Dalton brothers. I really love comics, especially Franco-Belgian comics, and the way that I was introduced to them is that I discovered Asterix and Lucky Luke at my aunt's place when I was a child. So basically that's my childhood there. Right now it's fresh and obviously not healed. And I still have the paper on. Alright, so please let me know from which country you are and what were your cartoons or comics heroes from your childhood. I really want to know that. Alright, so thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!